Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Audi's Q8 SUV has just broken cover. The new flagship rides atop the same platform as the Bentley Bentayga and Lamborghini Urus, as well as Audi's more family-minded Q7. The ultra-luxury 5-seater features a version of the new twin-screen infotainment system found in the latest A8, and Audi's virtual cockpit digital cluster, too. Beyond saying it'll be powered by some sort of mild hybrid, there's no word yet on what powers the Q8. We're guessing it'll share a lot of that with the A8 sedan as well. George Hotz, the enigmatic founder of Comma.ai, the company that aims to deliver highly automated driving to the aftermarket, says that his plug-and-play system will be better than Cadillac's Super Cruise by year's end. That is a bold claim, as GM's system is arguably the best in the business right now. Hotz tells us that they're training new models on 4 million miles of driving data and claims the company's wares will show fewer unplanned disengagements by the end of the year. The coolest new GoPro mount only costs $1. Available from Hot Wheels, the Zoom features an attachment shoe to mount GoPro's Hero Session or Hero 5 Session action camera. The world's least expensive dolly rig has a slim profile to keep its center of gravity low, and it'll allow you to take first-person views of your latest and greatest die-cast car tracks, including allowing for live streaming footage from a tablet or phone app. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.